And as you can see here, guys, these guys have made $148,000 by doing this method, and I'm going to show you exactly how. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to make money online by using ChatGPT and Google Drive. It's really simple, and I'm going to take you through everything that you need to know step by step in this tutorial. You're not going to go and have to create your own website or anything like that. It's really easy to actually do this and follow everything step by step. And we're going to be using AI to make all of this faster for you as well. So let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you how to make money online. Let's get started. All right, guys, before we get into this, let's look at some of the results. Now, there's actually a lot of people making money with this, but as you can see, these people made $148,000. That's absolutely insane with this method, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. But people are making a lot of money with this, and I want to show you someone that's actually new to this as well, and they've done $56,000 with this method as well. So we know this works. We know people are making money from this method, and what I'm going to do in this video is take you through everything you need to know step by step, and we're going to go over exactly how these guys have made this money, but we're not going to drag this out. We're going to do this super quick. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to make money online with this specific method. So the first step you want to do is you want to go ahead and open ChatGPT. Now you can do this with the free version of ChatGPT. You don't need to spend any money on actually doing this method. Now once you're in ChatGPT, you are going to need to have a specific prompt for this method. Now I have actually gone ahead and done this for us. What you want to do is you want to put in the prompt, give me a list of prompts that I can use to make hundreds of images of t-shirt designs that I'm going to load into a batch file. And then you want to put images only, no words. The reason why is because we want it to create images that don't have any words on it. And then we're going to go ahead and let ChatGPT do its thing, and it's going to create the content that we actually need. All right, now that actually didn't do a very good job, but luckily for me, we actually have some over here that I did before. So I'm not sure what happened right here. That's kind of weird, but we do have some here that actually worked really well for me. We have abstract color explosion, geometric shapes, floral burst, mountain silhouettes, animal silhouettes, retro sunset, which I actually quite like, tropical leaves, galaxy and stars, waves in motion, and then we have a few others that we can actually go ahead and use, fantasy dragon, pop art, holographic patterns. There's all of these types that we can use. It actually gives us 50, which is absolutely insane. So we can now go ahead and use these specific prompts to now go ahead and generate the content that we're going to use to make money online with this method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick to the one that I did before and actually worked out really well, and that's this one here. So a retro style sunset with orange and purple hues, palm trees in the background, and an ocean horizon in the foreground. Now the next step we want to do, if you want to go ahead and click on this app here, which is called Leonardo.ai, and you want to go ahead and get your own account signed up, ready to go. And it's free. You've got like a few credits that you can use. You start off with 150 credits, and then you can upgrade and get more credits if you like. But this is an insane tool. All of this is created with AI, which is absolutely insane. Look at this cat. Like, this cat looks real. It's insane. This is all AI. So this is a really, really good software. This person looks real, even though it's AI. This is nuts. So what we want to do is we want to head over to image creation, and then in the top here, we want to put in our prompt and click paste, and then we want to go to generate, and it's going to cost us 24 credits to do this. Now we want to actually create hundreds and thousands of images. I will show you how to do that. We can't do this with Leonardo.ai, but I'll show you how to do it with another software that we can actually use soon. But the reason I wanted to show you Leonardo.ai is because we can actually go ahead and create images, and then we can just create multiple versions of it over and over again. So you see I created 4 images here and then 4 images here, so that's 8. We could just keep going over and over again until we create these images that we're going to be using with this method, right? And these are really nice images. It went and took the exact prompt from ChatGPT, and it created these really nice images for us. And I'll try one more just to kind of let's go off like galaxy and stars. And let's just see how accurate this one is as well. I'll just use these credits on this account. This is a free account that I just started for this tutorial. And I'll come back and see what these look like as well. All right, so this one came out all right, not really as good as the palm trees. I like the palm trees much better, but there's lots of different ones that we can actually go ahead and look. I might just try one more. I just want to see if we can get one more out of this as well. That looks quite nice, just to show you some examples. This art collage, street art, at least see what this comes out like. All right, this actually came out quite nice. I really like this. So yeah, so we could use this to make specific things. But this is why you want to make sure you don't have text on the images, because the AI can't do text very well just yet. And there's some text on here. The next thing is we can use a thing called runwayml.com. So instead of creating 4 images at a time, we can create hundreds of images at a time. So go ahead and sign up to this. Now, you will have to pay to do what we need to do, but I'll just show you how this actually all works, okay? But this is it right here, runwayml.com. This is the dashboard right here, and I'm going to click on text to image. And I'm just going to go ahead and get the prompt. It doesn't really matter what prompt actually, because we're not going to do it. But I'll go ahead and get this prompt right here. And what we do is we post it into the prompt section and we click what is called batch. Now, this is a free account, so I can't actually do the batch right now, or I have to add credits. But we can create batch files, which means we can create hundreds of files at a time with this specific platform, or AI images. And then you can go ahead and use this for the next step that we're going to do in this video to make money online. But I just wanted to show you this. You can use this and you could do batch to make hundreds of images, or you can use leonardo.ai and just keep repeating the same process over and over again, and you'll get different generated images, and you can keep going, but you also have to pay as well because you have to add credits. All right, now I did forget, if you wanted to, you could actually go to ChatGPT and you can put in t-shirt. And you're also going to get some GPTs that will also give you some t-shirt designs if you want to go ahead and use that. So now what is the next step to make money online with this specific method? We're going to go ahead and do 2 things. First of all, you're going to go ahead and get up Google Drive. We are going to need Google Drive. And what you want to do is you want to take the pictures that you've downloaded. Now, I obviously don't have any in this file. This is just for an example. But let's just say you go ahead and you use Runway ML and you have, say, 100 images or 1,000 images of like AI generated images for t-shirt stuff. You want to go ahead and put it into a file, okay? Now, once it's in that file, you want to go ahead and upload it to Google Drive. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and upload it, but you would upload it into Google Drive, and then you would get a specific file here, and you can go ahead and you can click share, okay? So I'm just going to pretend that these structural plans here are my t-shirt designs, okay? So now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to create something that people can download. So I'm in Google Documents now, and I'm going to go, thank you for your purchase. Get your purchase by clicking here. And then I'm going to go ahead and highlight this, and I'm going to link it to that link that I just got from here, from the Google Drive. And then once I've actually done this, I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Download, and I'm going to go to Download as a PDF. So what's going to happen now is when we have this is the file here. And when I click on this, it's going to take me to that download link where I'm going to get all of those images. So now how do we actually make money with this? Super easy. What you want to do is you want to head over to Etsy.com and you want to sell t-shirt designs. As you can see, this person here is selling 12,000 t-shirt designs, 2 million. We have 500 t-shirt designs. We have 155, 500, 90. We have all of these t-shirt designs that we can sell on Etsy, and people are actually making really good money with this stuff. So if you come down here, you can see that this guy, there was a big one here before, 2.8 thousand sold. This one here, 19 sold, 150 sold, 1.6K sold, 300 sold. These people are making a lot of money. And if we actually click on this one, for example, and then we go to the page, you'll see that this is a digital download, okay? So it is a digital PDF file, and it's going to be the same type of PDF that we just created, where when someone actually purchases, oh, that's actually 2,000 reviews. They've sold a lot more than that. But when someone actually purchases this specific product, right, they're going to go ahead and get a PDF file. So it's a digital download. Don't need to send any physical products. They're going to click on that link and they're going to get the designs. This is fully automated. You don't have to do anything once this is set up. The sales will just come in from Etsy. So that, guys, is how you can go ahead and make money online by simply creating very simple t-shirt design images using these tools that I showed you. And then we can go ahead and use Google Drive. And then we can go ahead and create an easy, simple PDF. And then we can go and sell these on Etsy.com. It's super easy to do. And all you do is you set up a shop. It's very easy. You can literally just copy what all of these guys are doing. We have a description here, which you can use ChatGPT to create the description, and everything's ready to go. All right, guys, that's it. Super simple. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, and I'll see you then.